Welcome 12th class in today's class. So today we'll start from there we left on our last class. We were doing the chapter The Enemy from your second book Vistas, The Enemy, written by Pearl Asberg, well-known Nobel Prize winner. She born in China, but when she was only 3 months she was taken to USA with her parents, and she lived there about 40 years of her life. So that's why she is bilinguist and adapted in both the language English as well as Chinese. She translates also from Chinese to English language and English language to Chinese language. She wrote many books, over than 70 books, including novels, dramas, poetry, children books, and stories. So many things she wrote. So here in this chapter, she is dealing with the conflict of a person. When person is not able to decide to choose in the hard choices, sometime we fell into. The human being, first thing is to be a human, to perform your human duty towards the human being. That is the message of this story. So let's start from where we left. So I told you that the prisoner, that is American prisoner, and of course belonged to enemy country of Japanese, Dr. Sado. So that's why they were scared of bringing him their house. But even then, his self instinct of helping to his patient and to save the life of his patient, that was taught to him during his education of medical. So that's why even though he knows that he can got in danger, but he brought the American prisoner from seashore to his house. And Hannah and Dr. Sado, his wife Hannah, both operated and took the bullet that was in near his kidney. So and they don't care that the servants left their house, because they think that they are how their owner was very particular about saving the American. They thought that because he spent many years in America, that's why he has a soft corner towards American. So they think that is not good thing, and that's why they left their house and went from there taking their belongings. So they left alone. Now Hannah has to do all the household work, everything, and doctor helped many things, doing the care of baby and cooking food also. But when the person, the patient, American prisoner, came into conscious and he found himself in Japanese surroundings, and think that both Japanese couple is speaking also in English, that was he shocked and surprised. And they came to know that because they have lived many years in America, that's why they can speaking good in English. So now they operated and they saved the life of prisoner, and time wise he was getting better, his condition. But now both the person, Hannah and Dr. Sado, feel that they fell into a danger after saving his life. Of course they were very clear about it, that what they are doing, that is not good according to the discipline of their country. But even then they started, but now they wanted to get rid of this prisoner. What to do? Because if police came to know that they have given shelter to a prisoner of American, then definitely they will arrest them, or somebody will know that they have saved the life. Again they will, their whole life will be ruined by knowing this thing to others. So that's why they scared. Now Dr. Sado went to General, who was, I told you, under his treatment, and because General called him, so he thought that because General has a great sympathy with him and he is under his palm, that's why he thought that he should share all these things to General, and he will tell something to what to do in this condition. So that's why he told all his story to General, and General reacted nothing to surprise. Okay, it's okay, nothing to worry. I will tell some accessor to go to your house, and in the night they will kill the prisoner. उसको मार देंगे और तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा. एंड दे डू नो द टेक्निक्स ऑफ हाउ टू किल विदाउट एनी ब्लीडिंग, एंड दे विल ऑल्सो क्लीन द बॉडी फ्रॉम योर हाउस. They will carry. No, don't worry. So now Dr. Sado came to a good relief if it happens. So without knowing anybody else, and he will get rid of this person. So that's why he went home. But he thought that it is only 2-3 days matter. So why should I share all these things to my wife Hannah? She will also, being a lady, she will afraid, and she will think that of killing of a person in her house. So he thought that don't tell to. He thought that he should not tell to her wife. And now anxiously he was waiting for the night time, because General told him that in night. So he kept the door open from the side of the rooms of the patient, and came to and lie on his bed and waiting that somebody will come, some noise will come. So in the night the wind is blowing very harshly, and the leaves of chippering also coming from there outside. So he thought somebody is coming, somebody would have killed him, and he went away. So in the morning he got up and went very happily to the room of the prisoner, but he was surprised to see that what happened. The prisoner was lying and sleeping very calmly. What? उसने सोचा हो सकता है कि आज नहीं आए किसी कारण से, they would have forgotten, भूल गए होंगे. So General आज शायद भेज दे उनको. Again in the night he was anxiously waiting that they would come, the assessor would come and kill person. So same thing happened, but nobody has come. And because when he went to the room of prisoner again on that next morning, he found that he was sleeping very nicely there. So now he thought what happened, what to do, क्या किया जाए. उसने सोचा, तो उसके दिमाग में ये आया कि अब ये काम जो है, हो सकता है वो भूल गया हो, नहीं कर रहा है. कौन? General. उसको बोला था ना उसने कि वो उसके घर आएगा, उसके घर 2-3 आदमी जो उसके जानने वाले हैं उन्हें को भेज देगा और वो उसको जो है मार देंगे. तो इसलिए वो 2-3 दिन जो है यही सोचता रहा, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ और 3 रात बीत गई. नोबडी केम. अब वो सोच रहा है कि एज द टास्क हैड टू बी कंप्लीटेड इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज, सैडो थॉट दैट इट वुड बी completely. Slowly the realization began to dawn that perhaps the general had forgotten his promise, and in a way he was glad that it had tuned out this way. अब वो जाने खुश होता, चलो थैंक गॉड मैंने उसको मरवाया नहीं, क्योंकि because basically the main instinct of in his era of a human being, वो डॉक्टर था, वो उसको नहीं मारना चाहता था, लेकिन क्योंकि वो परेशानी में फंस सकता था अपनी फैमिली के वजह से, उसने उसको जनरल की बात मान ली. लेकिन 2-3 दिन बीतने के बाद अगेन ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी ग्लैड कि थैंक गॉड मैंने उसको मरवाया नहीं. अब उसके दिमाग में एक नया प्लान आता है. वो प्लान क्या था कि उसने सोचा कि द सर्कमस्टांसेस गेव हिम टू अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक अरेंजमेंट फॉर द अमेरिकन टू एस्केप. कि हो सकता है जो मुझे ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है ये इसलिए मिली है कि मैं उसकी जान को बचा सकूं, उसको भागने में मदद कर सकूं. क्या, तो उसने सोचा कि क्या करना चाहिए मेरे को, कि इसको किसी तरह से यहाँ से ये एस्केप कर ले, इसके लिए मेरे को इसमें हेल्प करनी चाहिए। और इस तरह से उसने सारा जो है अरेंजमेंट करने की सोची और सवेरे से ही वो उसमें लग गया। क्या तैयारी करनी उसने सोचा कि मैं एक अपनी बोट जो है वहाँ सी बीच पे छोड़ दूंगा और उसमें जाके उसको वो बैठ जाएगा। एंड आई विल कैप देयर ऑल राशन बॉटल्स एंड टॉर्च ऑल्सो फॉर गिविंग मी सिग्नल दैट ही हैड गॉट द कोरियन बोट और नॉट। तो ये सब सोच के उसने पूरा बोट को निकाला अपने स्टोर से और उसको वहाँ पर बीच पे पहुँचा दिया दिन में, विदाउट टेलिंग, विदाउट मैंशनिंग हैना को उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बताया कि वो क्या कर रहा है, उसके दिमाग में क्या प्लान चल रही है, और उसने वो निकाल दिया। और तो इसलिए उसने ही असिस्ट हिम इन ऑल द वेज दैट ही कुड, गिविंग हिम ए बोट, ration, Japanese cloths and even a torchlight with which he could indicate in case his supplies run out। टॉर्च किसे रखी थी, ताकि उसने उसको बता दिया कि ऐसे सिग्नल करने हैं, 1 करना है या 2 कब करना है या 3 कब करना है, और रात में नहीं करना, दिन में करना है। रात में तो पता चल जाएगा टॉर्च कहाँ से आ रही है, कोई क्यों सिग्नल दे रहा है, तो इसलिए दिन में करना अगर तुम्हारा राशन खत्म हो जाता है, एंड यू विल नॉट गेट एनी कोरियन बोट टिल देन, सो दैट्स वाई। तो इसलिए उसने कहा कि मेरे को सिग्नल कर देना, और कोरियन फिशिंग बोट टू रेस्क्यू हिम फ्रॉम द आइलैंड वेयर ही वाज टू सीक रिफ्यूज। इन द मीन टाइम सैडो हैड केयरफुली मॉनिटर्ड द एनिमीज प्रोग्रेस ऑफ हेल्थ। उसकी जो हेल्थ में सुधार आ रहा है उसको भी वो पूरे जो है टाइम अच्छे से मॉनिटर करता रहा कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि उसकी हेल्थ जो है ना अलाउ करे टू रन अवे फ्रॉम हेयर। तो इसलिए वो भी पूरी तरह से उसके लिए भी कन्विंस था, and that he was strong enough to take this chance and save his life. So they parted as friends, and the American remarked that it was a second time that Sado had saved his life. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा थैंकफुल नज़र आ रहा है अमेरिकन प्रिजनर, क्योंकि वो सैडो से कह रहा था कि नाउ सेकेंड टाइम यू आर सेविंग माई लाइफ। फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन ही सेव्ड, व्हेन ही ब्रॉट हिम टू हिज हाउस in the wounded condition and operated him and took out the bullet that was inside his body, and उसको हीलिंग में हेल्प करी, उसको अपने घर में रखा, उसकी ये सारी जो है उसने हॉस्पिटलिटी उसको अवेलेबल कराई। तो कह रहे कि अब मेरे को यहाँ से भागने में मदद करने में यू आर सेविंग सेकेंड टाइम माई लाइफ। तो इस तरह से जो सैडो है वो उसको वहां से भागने में मदद कर रहा है। अब नाउ सैडो रिपोर्टेड द मैटर ऑफ द अमेरिकन एस्केप टू द जर्नल। अब उसने जर्नल को भी ये बात बता दी। अब जब जर्नल को ये पता चला कि who apologized profusely from having neglected to keep his promise, offering of explanation that having fallen so ill he had thought only of himself and his recovery and the promise to have the enemy। वो बड़ा परेशान था जनरल, बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को जाहिर कर रहा था उसके सामने कि सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट, मुझे सिर्फ अपनी जान की पड़ी हुई थी कि इस टाइम मैं माई सेल्फ वॉज इन ए क्रिटिकल कंडीशन, सो दैट्स वाई आई फॉरगॉट व्हाट आई प्रॉमिस टू यू, और मैंने बिल्कुल भेजे ही नहीं वो। सो अब तुमने क्या किया, तो उसने बताया कि क्या इसका मतलब ये मैं सोचना कि मेरे अंदर पैट्रियटिज्म की कमी है। इसने कहा जर्नल ने कि भाई मैं अपनी जान के लिए परवाह कर रहा था और इस बात को भूल गया कि मुझे जो है एनिमी को यहाँ से जो है हटाना है, तुम्हारे घर से, मतलब उसका मर्डर करवाना है। तो इसलिए ये मत सोचना कि मेरे में जो है पैट्रियटिज्म की कोई कमी है। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर टुडे and do all the word meanings in your notebook, all the question answer I'm sending you, and do read again and again, and even then any query you can ask me anytime, and thank you and have a nice day. Bye.